Welcome to Pinglish channel. Let's get started.
How much did you spend? How much did you spend? How much did you spend? I will take care of it. I will take care of it. I will take care of it. You should not waste money. You should not waste money. You should not waste money. You made my day. You made my day. You made my day. John is calling. John is calling. John is calling. We are broke. We are broke. We are broke. What are you saying? What are you saying? What are you saying? I want to invest my money. I want to invest my money. I want to invest my money. I will run my own shopping mall. I will run my own shopping mall. I will run my own shopping mall. Don't act like a kid. Don't act like a kid. Don't act like a kid. He can help you in this case. He can help you in this case. He can help you in this case. I want to hire someone. I want to hire someone. I want to hire someone. I spent all my savings. I spent all my savings. I spent all my savings. I would like to pay the bill. I would like to pay the bill. I would like to pay the bill. I have got bad news for you. I have got bad news for you. I have got bad news for you. I give you 2 days. I give you 2 days. I give you 2 days. I will take you there. I will take you there. I will take you there. I just need you to obey me. I just need you to obey me. I just need you to obey me. What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? We'll be late. We'll be late. We'll be late. I'm starting the car now. I'm starting the car now. I'm starting the car now. Would you move, please? Would you move, please? Would you move, please? I need this chair. I need this chair. I need this chair. Don't tell anyone I'm here. Don't tell anyone I'm here. Don't tell anyone I'm here. It's too heavy, give me a hand. It's too heavy, give me a hand. It's too heavy, give me a hand. Get in, I'll take you home. Get in, I'll take you home. Get in, I'll take you home. You can just drop me off right here. You can just drop me off right here. You can just drop me off right here. Don't shout, please. Don't shout, please. Don't shout, please. I can't sleep. I can't sleep. I can't sleep. The food is in the fridge. The food is in the fridge. The food is in the fridge.
Please subscribe us. Don't forget like and comment. Thanks for watching.